Welcome to the beautifully uncomplicated world of container garden design. We're taking the guesswork out of it for you with these foolproof planting recipes. And today I'm showing you the container recipe called Simply SunPatiens. If you don't know, SunPatiens are an impatient that is able to take full sun or shade. So they're very versatile. And this one's pretty simple. So our thriller is going to be this Pennisetum Fireworks grass, has a nice variegation. There's also Pennisetum rubrum, which is all dark, so you can choose which one you want. First, I'm gonna add though some of our Biotone starter plant food. I just grab a big handful and just spread it all around the top. This is a 14-inch pot, so just a nice handful, work it into the first 1 or 2 inches of the soil there. I'm gonna add my grass in the middle. Now this recipe you could use for larger than a 14-inch pot. I'm gonna kind of work these in here, but it would definitely work in a larger one too. This grass is gonna get big. And then our filler, and sort of, SunPatiens are kind of a, hi there Mia, a filler and a spiller. So I'm gonna plant the SunPatien in there. I'm gonna add 3. So I'm gonna plant these in a triangle around the grass. And the SunPatiens come in a bunch of different colors. Sometimes we even have a SunPatien that is a trio. There's 3 colors in one, which is really nice. Those usually come out in the summer, in our summer crop. But these are what I plant at my house. Very simple. SunPatiens, a grass or a canna in the middle, and then some sweet potato vine. We have different colors of the potato vine. This one I picked the tricolor because I think it looks really good with this color of SunPatien. But I'm just gonna plant one of these potato vines in between each of the SunPatiens. And I'm kind of just planting this full. But you could also, if you have a smaller pot, do less plants and give them some more room to grow. But this is gonna fill in nicely and quickly. Sometimes I'll just give it a little tap to help the soil settle down. So this is our Simply SunPatiens container recipe.